Have you ever wondered what it's like to be a part of a company that's shaping the future of finance? A company that's not just a business, but a movement? Today, we're diving into the world of Qonto, a French fintech startup that's making waves in the banking industry. But is Qonto truly a startup? Or is it something more? To answer that question, let's first understand what makes a startup a startup. Traditionally, startups are characterized by their innovative approach, risk-taking, and potential for rapid growth. They often disrupt existing industries and introduce new technologies. Qonto's innovative approach, Qonto certainly fits the bill when it comes to innovation. They've developed a modern, digital banking platform designed specifically for small businesses and freelancers. With features like real-time transactions, easy invoicing, and expense management, Qonto offers a streamlined and efficient banking experience. Risk-taking and growth, Qonto has also taken significant risks. Entering the competitive banking industry is no easy feat, especially for a startup. However, by focusing on a specific niche and offering a unique value proposition, Qonto has managed to carve out a place for itself. Qonto's rapid growth, the company's growth trajectory is impressive. Since its launch, Qonto has experienced rapid expansion, attracting a large customer base and securing substantial funding. This growth is a testament to the startup's success and potential. Beyond the startup label, while Qonto undoubtedly exhibits the characteristics of a startup, it's also important to consider the broader context. As the company continues to grow and mature, it may start to resemble a more established enterprise. This doesn't necessarily mean it's no longer a startup, it simply means that its definition is evolving. The importance of mindset, ultimately, whether Qonto is considered a startup or not is a matter of perspective. What truly defines a startup is its mindset, its willingness to innovate, take risks, and embrace uncertainty. As long as Qonto maintains this entrepreneurial spirit, it can continue to be a driving force in the fintech industry. So, is Qonto a startup? The answer is both yes and no. It's a startup in terms of its innovative approach, risk-taking, and rapid growth. However, as it matures, it may begin to exhibit characteristics of a more established enterprise. Regardless of its label, Qonto's impact on the banking industry is undeniable. If you're a small business owner or freelancer looking for a modern, efficient banking solution, Qonto is definitely worth exploring. Visit their website to learn more and sign up for a free account. With that said, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech and business content. Until next time.